Alright, I'm just going to be installing solar panels on this house. This is my own house, so I can record it. Any other jobs I can't record them because they're on other people's houses. So I just want to take you on a wee day to show you what I do with this fan. But I have 3 of these panels on 11 different panels. These are 380s and these are 360s. So I got a good deal on them. They were left over, so the fella I installed solar panels for, I bought them off him. So I'll take you up and show you how I put the panels on using this fan.
Take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow. Come on, and move it on. Come on. Said babe, I said babe, oh honey, come and move along. You gotta feel it, yeah, you gotta move along. You gotta feel it.
Alright, that's the brackets and bars on there, so just going to do the same on the other side, only bars are going to be run parallel up the roof instead of across the roof. So I'll do it and then bring the cables in. I always leave the bars long, see where they're sticking out there. Put the panels on and then trim them after, it leaves a better finish. Just in case you're wondering why the bars are so long. But I'll do that. I'll do the other side here, and it's going to be hard to get the cables in for this one because there's no attic space up here. So what I'm going to have to do is here I'm going to have to remove a section of tiles here and then feed the cables up and over, because the cables are going at the front of the house where the fuse board is. Alright, I'll just show you what I've done here. It took longer than I thought trying to get these cables. I was trying to get them over the other side of the roof and down where they need to go. But the way I done it, I had to go around here. So use this bit of conduit here. I'm going to fix it to the soffit there as well. And then just round here, but the panel's going to be coming out here, so you not really see it. And then I brought the cables along here, under this wee bit of lead here, and then down, and then into the house. That's where the inverter's going. So I had to modify these bars here. I drilled a hole and just bought bolts so I could run the reel this way instead of running them long ways. That's not the right way of doing it. This is the right way of doing it. I just didn't have any kit to do that. And then I've done the same here. Made wee lead cleats just to protect the cable on each one of them. Same with that one. So the way it's going to be strung is a string of 10 and then a string of 4. So it was a bit of a nightmare. I had to jump all these cables over. So this NC4 is going up along and into here. See where that's a male, and then that one there is a female. So the panel just plug into that, and then go round just going round in a loop, and then over to that cable there, round, and then down into the inverter. So that's me ready to start paneling there. As I say, it took longer than I thought. I messed about trying to get that cable over. Yeah, I just couldn't get that tile. See that second row tile, couldn't get them up at all. I was actually going to take some of the ridges off, but then it was too much work, so I just decided just through that. I don't have anyone here to give me a hand to pull the ridge off and pull the cable in and all, so I just done that to let me away. So as I say, that's me ready to start paneling. Yeah, I'll maybe do this side and then move the barn around the front, move that black car out of the way, just to throw them ones on, just to make it handy for myself. So I'll get set up here, get the panels. I'll maybe put these on time lapse, just put these over there or something. Yeah, so I'll do that and get back to you. Alright, I'm just doing the last take on this video here on the solar panel system I put in. I want to tell you the cost, and I just wanted to wait till the Spark got his bit done before I finished the video. I had to wait a couple of weeks on him coming, but I'll bring you in and show you here. That's what's putting out there, 3 kilowatt. That wee alarm is for it's calling for the battery, but I'm waiting on the battery coming in, so it'll be an all £800 for the battery, the one that I want. And then yeah, the total cost of the system so far is £1,600, £600 for the inverter. I got a good deal on it, and £1,000 for the panels. I got off the fella I work for, the inverter and the panels, and then I'll have to buy the battery myself. I think it's around £800, so that'll be £2,400 for the total system, which I don't think is too bad. Yeah, if you just made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching, and hit the thumbs up for me. There'll be more videos coming, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks.